Oh. Oh, Rocky.
Rocky, it's okay.
Rocky's gonna marry Armenian. That's okay. That's Neva's favorite spot. I don't know. Neva, go get Rocky. Oh, kisses. Oh my
Look.
God, Neva just gave kisses.
I got it. Oh, that's
Let me see.
perfect. They're kissing.
Oh my God, I can't believe they just gave a kiss. Oh my God, this is the best thing ever.
They move pretty quick, huh?
Yeah.
Usually I'm chasing Neva like that, and I'm so tired.
I have a feeling someone is in love. Neva loves her
Their
cousin. Cousin or boyfriend? What should we say? Should we say boyfriend because it's cuter?
Yeah, because it's
Yeah,
freaky.
cousin's kind of like backwoods.
Backwards.